Hey, welcome to Phantom X Design. Hey, this is just a very quick video showing in action the Dewalt DCN680B. It's a 18 gauge brad nailer. It runs on the Dewalt 20 volt max cordless batteries. Some people may want to see the tool actually in action. This isn't really a review. In this video, I'm actually building a filter box for my dust collection system, and I'm just gluing and pinning down the rails for the filters in the box itself. And just, some people might want to see the tool in action and see how it works. It's super lightweight. It's got a couple LED lights in the very front so that you can see what you're doing. I'm very happy with this tool. It's nice just to pin down things real quick, like trim, and like when I built the box here, instead of screwing all the sides on, I tacked them down first with this 18L brad nailer, and then I went back and screwed some wood screws, so it makes things a lot easier, less frustrating, things kind of moving around on here. This tool does have rapid fire in it, but I'm just kind of taking my time here. I also bought the 4 1/4 inch DeWalt cordless skill saw, and then I bought the cutoff saw at 7 1/4, I believe it is. I absolutely love these DeWalt tools.